All right, Rankin family. So we are looking at the Highlands Homes right here in Ellison. Absolutely fantastic property. This is the Cambridge plan, and you're going to have the beautiful brick on the exterior. Plus, as soon as you walk into the covered front porch, you'll have your double doors with the glass panes, which always adds the nice, elegant look. And then now we're walking into the foyer. Absolutely beautiful. So you have your 12-foot ceilings. You have 3 chandeliers, 1, 2, 3, with the exposed wooden beam. And then this will be the first bedroom. So if you notice, the high ceilings continues in here as well. This one just came available. So this model is brand new. In fact, the paint is still drying in a couple of the rooms, such as the study and the powder bath. So we'll just peek right there before going in, so that way we don't have to worry about touching the paint in there. But as you see, you have the brass trim, beautiful light fixtures, high ceilings continues in here. And then even looking right here, look how beautiful the backsplash is. So you have the brass shower head right there. You have your little shower niche as well. Absolutely gorgeous. You have that tile that continues in there, and then you have your walk-in closet right here. So absolutely gorgeous. And then I'll show you, this would be where the study would be. So just kind of gives you a basis of what it would look like. Like I said, the paint is still drying, so I really don't want to go in there and mess that up, but you still have the spacious study right there. All right, so let's continue this way. And then right here will be your nice, beautiful media room. You have plenty of space inside of here. You have that plush navy blue carpet inside of here. Keep in mind, folks, this is the model house, so they're gonna make sure it's dressed up well. That way just kind of invokes a lot of great emotion whenever you walk into a model house and envision what it would look like. So just keep that in mind. And then we'll head right here, so that way you can see the cathedral-like ceilings going in to the kitchen. You have your quartz countertops, you have your wooden range hood, you have the brass trim handles again inside of here. And the good thing is you have your farmhouse sink with the brass faucet as well, but you can overlook the backyard or even the great room whenever you have guests in there. So fantastic. I love the high ceilings, especially in the Cambridge plan, because you just have the illusion of a ton of space, and it doesn't really create that echo that a lot of folks complain about. Then you have your built-in double oven, stainless steel built-in microwave as well. Got a decent sized pantry right here as well, to be able to store any canned goods that you have. Don't have to worry about that. So if you notice, you have your oversized island, plenty of space for the family, have everybody situated right there. And then we'll look inside the great room. So of course, even in here, you have your high ceilings, not as big as the cathedral-like ceilings, but you definitely have plenty of space inside of here. You got your recessed lighting coming down as well with the nice ceiling fan. And then you have your sliding doors going into the backyard, but we'll delay going in there in the meantime. And then you can even see you have your nice electric fireplace right there as well. And this essentially be a linen closet right here as well. And this will be your nice size primary bedroom. Let me make sure I pan this for you so that way you can see how we're looking. If you notice, you even have your accent wall right there. You have beautiful chandelier coming down, plenty of walk room in here. You see you have your 2 nightstands, you got your king size bed, and you still got plenty of space. Absolutely gorgeous. And then let's head to the bathroom so that way you can see how we're looking. So you have your rectangular oversized standing tub, and then you have your nice standing shower right there. Quartz countertops extends in here as well. And I'll pan right here so you can see all the brass fixtures. That's what we've been noticing, this common theme, especially in a lot of these model homes. They're bringing it back. You know, they always say, you know, sometimes things will go away, become out of style. Eventually they'll come back. And then this will be your nice size walk-in closet. So you got plenty of space in here as well. I like the tile flooring. Let me know what you folks think. And then right there would be your toilet. Love the vanity area. You have plenty of space, the double sinks. Fantastic. Definitely doesn't disappoint. And I'll pan one more time so that way you can see how we're looking in the primary. And then let's go take a look at some of the other bedrooms. So I definitely love how the sink is kind of sectioned off right here compared to what we usually see it inside of the island itself. But even looking at these cathedral-like ceilings with the exposed wooden beam definitely adds a nice touch. You have your little dining area right here, plenty of space. So you have a table with 6 seats and you still have plenty of walk room as well. You got your little wine bar area over there as well. Nice little touch that they add. And then this will essentially be, let's say, for instance, if you're coming in from the garage, you have your nice mudroom right there. This will be the 3rd bedroom right here. So you have plenty of space, definitely enough for a smaller child. You have a queen size bed, have it in here comfortably with the night table, with the dresser. And then even looking in here, nice size walk-in closet, definitely plenty of space. And this one has your bathroom attached with the quartz countertops in here again. You have shower tub combo, high ceilings, brass shower head again, and brass shower sink faucet. Quartz countertops, you have your nice wooden mirror framing right there. Nice lighting fixture as well. And then right across from it, you have the next bedroom as well. Like I said, I got plenty of space, very similar size to the other one. Walk-in closet again, right here. So it might feel a little tight. It's not as bad as it may look on the video itself, because you still have, you know, plenty of room. But of course, if there is certain times where you may need a little bit more space, we can definitely see about a different plan or adding more square footage to accommodate a bigger rooms. And then even in this one, you have your nice linen closet as well. You got carpet in here. Let me know what you folks think. If you like the carpet in the rooms, if you dislike them, that way we can see about getting some accommodations for you. And then right here, a nice little coffee room area, quartz countertops, got your built-in shelving. You got your stacked cabinets on top. Definitely adds a nice touch. Of course, those are upgrades. So depending if you care much for them, to spend a little bit extra money to have that nice touch, you know, to each his own, really. And then right here, have another closet area. So yeah, let me know what you think about that. Even right here, you know, you did have that little wine bar area over there. So depending if you want a continuation in here, the built-in wine fridge, just personal preference, depends on what you like or dislike. And then let's head this way so that way you can see the backyard. So this one, you are going to have that covered extended backyard patio. So you got plenty of space in here, plenty for entertaining folks. And even though the ceilings on the backyard patio are not as high, you don't have a lot of echo because you have this patio furniture, which kind of reduces that echo that you would have. And right here, you can have a nice little bonfire out here with the patio equipment. And like I said, folks, this one had just been built This is absolutely an exclusive, and this will be the back of the property. So without further ado, folks, that is Highland Homes. All right, Rankin family, I hope you absolutely love that property tour. Let me know in the comments what you folks thought about it. What did you like? What did you dislike? What are some things you would change? And of course, if you do want more information, I have all of the information you need in the description below. And I'll see you folks on the next property tour.